Hi students, welcome to NSR IIT and NEET Academy. This is the first session of translation of axis for junior inter students. So in this session we are going to discuss different type of translation of axis. Okay. So transformation of axis, we have three types. So first one is translation of axis. Next, second one, rotation of axis, and third one, translate and rotation. So transformation of axis means axis transfer to another place. Transformation of axis means axis is transferred from one place to another place and different directions. So in this chapter we are going to discuss only transformation of axis and rotation of axis. So first one is translation of axis. So what is the definition of translation of axis? Translation of axis is obtained by origin shifted to different point in a plane without changing the direction of axis is called translation of axis. So first one is translation of axis. So this is x-axis and this is y-axis. So already you know this is origin 0, 0. So here OX and OY are called virginal axis. OX, OY are called virginal axis. So now what is the definition of translation of axis? Origin shifted to different point in a plane. In translation of axis, we are shifted here origin one place to another place. Okay na? So origin shifted to different point in a plane without changing the direction of axis means the direction of x-axis and y-axis cannot change, but origin is shifted from one place to another place is called translation of axis. Now here origin is 0, 0. Okay na? So take here any point p x comma y. So p x comma y is a position of a point with respect to virginal axis. So virginal axis means, so this is first O, 0, 0 is a origin with respect to virginal axis ox, oy. Next p is a position of a point with respect to virginal axis ox, oy. So this is point P. Draw a line from here. So P x comma y means here x coordinate and y coordinate. Small x is indicate the distance from origin to this point. So that is small x. Take it as this is A and this one B. Now the distance from B to origin is small y. So O origin with respect to virginal axis Ox, Oy, and P is x comma y is a position of a point with respect to virginal axis Ox, Oy. Next, origin shifted to one place to another place. So here origin 0, 0, if we this origin shifted in any place in this plane, we have x and y coordinates of origin, that is O dash. So this is O 0, 0, this is O dash h comma k. This is origin shifted point. Origin shifted point. It is denoted by O dash h comma k. Now origin shifted to one place to another place and without changing the direction of axis. See here x axis direction. x-axis direction we have right side. So here x dash also right side. Next y direction upside, here y dash also the direction is upward. So the direction of x, direction of y is equal to direction of x dash, direction of y dash. So direction of axis cannot change, but origin shifted from one place to another place. This is origin 0, 0. So this one is origin shifted point O dash h, k. So O dash h, k means the distance from here, origin to here, the distance is h. Now take it as here C and take it as here D. The distance from origin to D is k. So here Pxy, the distance from O to A is x, O to B is y. Now here O dash h, k point is here. So the distance from origin to here is h, the distance from origin to D is k. Now take it as here position of a point P dash x dash y dash with respect to new axis O dash x dash O dash y dash. So here O is a origin with respect to virginal axis, Ox, Oy called virginal, O dash x dash, O dash y dash are called new axis. So O dash h, k is a origin shifted point with respect to new axis. New axis O dash x dash, O dash y dash. Next P dash x dash, y dash is a position of a point with respect to new axis O dash x dash, O dash y dash. Now we get here origin and position point. Here origin shifted point, position point. These two are with respect to virginal axis, these two are with respect to new axis. So this is P dash x dash y dash point here. So the distance from here, this is x dash and this one y dash, because Px dash y dash with respect to O dash x dash, O dash y dash. Now take it as here C D over already here E and take it as this one F. Now from figure, so here we have to find h, k values, h, k or x dash, y dash or xy. So x, k means origin shifted point. Now from figure we can write small x is equal to OA. Here small x distance from O to A. Now OA we can write as OC plus AC. OA we can write as OC plus AC. Okay na. So OC distance is h and AC distance is equal to O dash E. O dash E. So now h plus O dash E distance x dash. Now we get x is equal to h plus x dash. Now x dash move this side, we get x minus x dash equal to h. So h formula is x minus x dash. The position point x coordinate of new axis minus position point x coordinate of virginal axis. Okay, now virginal axis minus new axis. So h is equal to x minus x dash. Again here we have b, the distance from OB equal to y. Now y is equal to OB, y equal to OB we can write as OD plus BD. Now OD distance is k plus BD, we do not have BD distance, but BD distance is equal to O dash F. Now k plus O dash F distance is y dash. Now we get y is equal to k plus y dash move this side is equal to k. Now k equal to y minus y dash. So h is equal to x minus x dash and k equal to y minus y dash. So you don't remember all those this points and this formula and this table this diagram, just you remember h formula and k formula. So h is equal to x minus x dash and k equal to y minus y dash. You remember these names. P means position point, O dash means origin shifted point. O is origin. O means origin, O dash means origin shifted point, P means position of a point. Okay. So you remember these names and you remember these two formulas. H is equal to x minus x dash and k equal to y minus y dash. So this is about translation of axis. So translation of axis means origin shifted to one point to another point and without changing the direction of axis, means origin shifted to different point in a plane without changing the direction of axis is called translation of axis. So here we have new axis and original axis. This is origin shifted point. So by using this figure we can find h comma k values. So these are formulas of translation of axis. So translation of axis formula, h is equal to x minus x dash and k equal to y minus y dash. You remember these two formulas. So next, by using this translation of axis formula we can find the coordinates. Okay na. So here given one question, when the origin is shifted to minus 2 comma 3, means here this given point is origin shifted point. Okay na. So given origin shifted point means O dash h comma k. So O dash h comma k equal to minus 2 comma 3. So by the translation of axis, find the coordinates of 1 comma 2 with respect to new axis. 1 comma 2 with respect to new axis means this point is become original axis. Listen carefully. Find the coordinates of 1 comma 2 with respect to new axis. 1 comma 2 with respect to new axis means we have to find the coordinates of new axis. This given point is original axis. Original axis means here given position of a point P 1 comma 2, we can find position point P dash x dash comma y dash. So now we have to find x dash y dash, here given xy coordinates. So also given here P x comma y is equal to 1 comma 2. Right. By translation of axis, by translation of axis. So you know the formula, h is equal to x minus x dash and k equal to y minus y dash. Now here we have the values of h comma k x y, substitute here. H value minus 2 equal to 1 minus x dash, x value 1. Next k equal to 3, next y value 2 minus y dash. Now here we have to find x dash and y dash. Here minus x dash is there. So minus x dash, move this side, it become plus x dash equal to already 1 here there. So minus 2, move this side, it become plus 2. Now x dash is equal to 1 plus 2, 3. So this is x dash value. Now here also move y dash this side, y dash is equal to 2, 3, move this side, it become minus 3. Now y dash equal to 2 minus 3 minus 1. So this is y dash value. So coordinates of new axis, coordinates of new axis that is p dash x dash comma y dash equal to, so x dash value 3, y dash value minus 1. So these are the coordinates of new axis. So in our question given origin shifted point and coordinates of virginal axis, that is px comma y 1 comma 2. So by using this origin shifted point and xy, so and we have already have a formula translation of axis, that is h is equal to x minus x dash and k equal to y minus y dash. So using this formula, substitute these values, we get the coordinates of new axis. So similarly, we have a second question. When the origin is shifted to 4 comma, this is second one. So when the origin is shifted to 4 comma minus 5, by the translation of axis, find the coordinates of minus 2 comma 4 with respect to new axis. So here also same given origin shifted point. So write here O dash h comma k 4 comma minus 5 and x y minus 2 comma 4. So by translation of axis, h is equal to x minus x dash, k equal to y minus y dash. Now substitute the values. 4 is equal to minus 2 minus x dash. So x dash move this side minus 2, 4 move this side minus 4. Now x dash equal to minus 6. So here also substitute k value, minus 5 is equal to 4 minus y dash. Now y dash equal to 4 plus 5. Now y dash is equal to 9. So write coordinates of new axis px dash y dash is equal to minus 6 comma 9. So these are the coordinates of new axis. So next question number 3, when the origin shifted to 2 comma 3 by translation of axis, find coordinates of 4 comma 5 with respect to virginal axis. Means here given coordinates are new axis, that is x dash y dash. In first and second question given origin shifted point and xy point, position of a point with respect to virginal axis. So here given origin shifted point and new axis coordinates, means this is h comma k and this one is x dash y dash. Now we have to find here xy values, right? Given O dash h comma k equal to 2 comma 3. Next, here p dash x dash comma y dash equal to 4 comma 5. So here virginal means this is new. New axis means x dash y dash. Virginal means xy. Now we have to find xy. So by translation of axis, by translation of axis, h is equal to x minus x dash and k equal to y minus y dash. Now substitute the values, 2 equal to x minus x dash value 4. Now find x value, minus 4 move this side, 2 plus 4 equal to x. 2 plus 4 is equal to x. So 2 plus 4, 6 equal to x, that is x is equal to 6. So next here, k value 3 equal to y minus y dash value 5. Now 5 move this side, 3 plus 5 is equal to y. So 3 plus 5, 8. So 8 is equal to y, that is y equal to 8. Now write here coordinates of here coordinates of virginal axis. That is px comma y equal to 6 comma 8. So these are the coordinates of virginal axis. So similarly we have fourth question, when the origin shifted to 2 comma 3 by the translation of axis, find the coordinates of minus 4 comma 3. Minus 4 comma 3 with respect to same virginal axis. Right, here given origin shifted point and new axis, that is minus 4 comma 3. So write translation of axis, h is equal to x minus x dash and k equal to y minus y dash. Now h value 2 equal to x minus of minus 4. So x dash value minus 4, already we have a formula minus, so minus of minus 4 plus 4. Now plus 4 move this side, 2 minus 4 equal to x. So 2 minus 4 minus 2 equal to x. Now x value minus 2. Right, here k value 3 equal to y minus 3. So minus 3 move this side, it become plus 3. So 3 plus 3 6 equal to y. So y is equal to 6. Now coordinates of virginal axis minus 2 comma 6. Minus 2 comma 6. So these are the coordinates of virginal axis. So next question number 5, find the point the origin is to the shifted so that the point 3 comma 0 changes to 2 comma minus 3. So in this question we have to find origin shifted point, that is O dash h comma k. So here given 2 points. So first point is P, position point with respect to virginal axis, and next that virginal changes into new, that is new point P dash x dash y dash 2 comma minus 3. So x comma y changes to x dash y dash. So here given P x comma y is equal to 3 comma 0, and this point changes into P dash x dash comma y dash equal to 2 comma minus 3. So by translation of axis, h is equal to x minus x dash and k equal to y minus y dash. Now h is equal to x minus x dash 3 minus 2, x value 3, x dash value 2, so h is equal to 1. Next here k equal to 0 minus of minus 3. So k equal to minus of minus 3 plus 3. So 0 plus 3 is equal to 3. So therefore origin shifted point. So origin shifted point O dash h comma k equal to 1 comma 3. So these are the coordinates of origin shifted point. So next, when the origin is shifted to 3 comma 4 by the translation of axis, find the transformed equation of 2x square plus 4xy plus 5y square equal to 0. Here we have two type of equations, one is transformed equation, another one is virginal equation. One is transformed equation, another one is virginal equation. So transformed equation in the form of dash means here x dash y dash terms. Transformed equation in terms of x dash y dash, and virginal equation in terms of xy. remember this one, this is very important. We have two type of equations. One is a transformed equation, another one is virginal equation. Transformed equation in the form of x dash y dash terms and virginal equation in terms of x and y terms. So, in our question, find the transformed equation of this equation. So, we have to find x dash y dash equation. Here given equation is xy equation. Listen carefully, we have to find here transformed equation of this equation. Transformed equation in terms of x dash y dash, virginal equation in terms of xy. Here find transformed equation of 2x square plus 4xy plus 5y square equal to 0 means in this question we have to find this equation. Here given equation is xy equation means the given equation is px comma y equal to 0 equation. We have to find p dash x dash y dash equal to 0 equation. So, in this question also given origin shifted point, that is O dash, given O dash h comma k equal to 3 comma 4. Here given origin shifted point O dash h comma k equal to 3 comma 4 and also given here equation px comma y equal to 0 means 2x square plus 4xy plus 5y square equal to 0. So, by using transformation of axis we can find x and y and substitute here. So, next write by translation of axis. By translation of axis, h is equal to x minus x dash and k equal to y minus y dash. So, by using this origin shifted point and these two formulas, we can find x and y values. Why? Because our given equation in terms of xy. So, that is why by using this formula and origin shifted point to find x value, y value. So, already we have h value, that is 3 equal to x minus x dash. Next k value 4 equal to y minus y dash. So, we have to find x y values. So, now minus x dash, move this side, we get plus x dash. So, x dash plus 3 is equal to x and here y dash, move this side, y dash plus 4 is equal to y. So, we get x and y values. So, x is equal to x dash plus 3 and y is equal to y dash plus 4. So, this x and y right here. So, now p becomes x dash plus 3 y dash plus 4 equal to 0. Now, this equation becomes, so in this equation also take it as equation 1. Now, this one p substitute in equation 1 means in place of xy substitute x dash plus 3 comma y dash plus 4. So, 2 into x value x dash plus 3. So, here 2x square, 2 into x dash plus 3 square plus 4 into xy. So, x value x dash plus 3, y value y dash plus 4 plus 5 into y square. So, here y value y dash plus 4 whole square equal to 0. Now simplify this. So here apply a plus b whole square formula. A square x dash square plus b square 3 square plus 2ab 2 into x dash into 3 plus 4 into, so first multiply these two terms. So this is x into y term. So first multiply x dash into y dash, x dash y dash. Now x dash into 4, 4x dash. Now 3 into y dash, 3y dash plus 3 into 4, 12 plus 5 into, apply a plus b whole square, a square y dash square plus 4 square plus 2 into y dash into 4 equal to 0. So now 2 into x dash square plus 9 plus 6x dash, 4 into x dash y dash plus 4x dash plus 3y dash plus 12. So 4 multiply each and every term here. So we get 4x dash y dash 16 12 12 4s 48 plus 5 into y dash square plus 16 plus 8y dash equal to 0. Now here 2 multiply each and every term, we get 2x dash square plus 18 12x dash plus 4x dash y dash 16x dash plus 12y dash plus 48 plus 5 multiply each and every term, 5y dash square 5 into 16 80 plus 40y dash equal to 0. Now first write x dash square and y dash square terms. So then after write x dash y dash, x term y term, and last finally write constants. So we get here 2x dash square plus 5y dash square plus 4x dash y dash plus 12x dash, here 12x dash 16x dash, 12 plus 16 28x dash. Next y dash terms, here 12y dash 40y dash 52y dash plus, next numbers 80 plus 40 128 128 plus 18 136 146 plus 146 equal to 0. So this is our transformed equation. So finally simply write here remove dash. So final answer we can also again write in x terms. So write here remove dash, write 2x square plus 5y square plus 4xy plus 28x plus 52y plus 146 equal to 0. So this is transformation of equation. So by using transformed equation, so we can find this. So here also apply h comma k formulas. So in our question given, okay, now original equation, so we have to find here transformed equation. So we get transformed equation is 2x dash square plus 5y dash square plus 4x dash y dash plus 28x dash plus 52y dash plus 146 equal to 0.